Hello guys, today we'll be looking into the unit Store information about your customers from the module Accounts and Contacts for Lightning Experience. So to the right side of my screen is a Trailhead playground and we'll be creating a new account. So let's jump into the Accounts tab. Let's click on New and let's copy and paste all the details which are shown in the unit. The account name, mobile number, account site, and just copy paste all the fields in their respective boxes. And click on save. The next part of the challenge is to create contacts in the account we have just created. So now we are inside the account Get Cloudy, which we have just created. Now let's click on new contact, and as done before, let's copy and paste the information as seen in the left side of the screen, which is our Trailhead unit. And let's create the second contact as well. And let's save it. So finally, let's jump to the last part of the challenge. Oh, sorry, we have one more in between. Let's log a call right before going into the last part. So let's jump into Longchan's record, which is contact, and let's log a call. Let's write the comments as project demo and save it. Now you can see all the details specified with the call as we have just logged the details. And this is the final hands-on challenge, which is mandatory to move on to the next unit. Alright, so let's add a contact to the Get Cloudy account. Let's head towards the Get Cloudy account. Let's click on new contact, and let's copy paste the details as shown. Oops, pasted in the wrong field. Okay, let's paste regional sales manager in the title and click save. Right? Let's check if we have done our challenge right. Right. So give the video a thumbs up if this helped you, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. See you in the next unit. Bye bye.